You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to switch your Instagram profile back from a business or creator account to a personal account. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap on Account. In the Account settings, scroll to the very bottom and tap on Switch Account Type. Here you will see an option that says Switch to Personal Account. Tap on this option. Instagram will show you a summary of features you will lose, like insights and scheduling tools. Tap Switch Back to confirm. Your account will immediately revert to a personal account. Your posts and followers remain unchanged. You will no longer have access to professional dashboards, detailed analytics, or the ability to run ads directly from your profile. Your contact button will also be removed. If you had connected a Facebook page, it will be disconnected. You can switch back to a professional account at any time by following the same steps and selecting Switch to Professional Account. This process is free and does not affect your account status. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.